Hello, my name is Kobe Sandholz, and this is my Lab 3 video. Just to start, I want to just recognize that I have a little bit of wiring uncleanliness here. That's only for my battery monitor, though. And as the lab said, this is just the single lab thing. And as I couldn't find a better way to get voltages, or a path from these furthest away pins to all the way over here on my breadboard, this is what we are having to deal with. They will be gone after this video. Other than that, I'm mainly using jumpers for the Arduino and to go between the Arduino and the H bridge. I've tried to organize my all my H bridge cables to just going one way up to the breadboard to make it organized. So let's demonstrate functionality. So here is. Oh, I need two hands for this. So here is driving left. Here's driving right. Here's driving straight. Here is driving left, interrupted by a collision. Here's driving right, interrupted by a collision. Here's driving straight, interrupted by a collision. All right, so that is the functionality of the robot. Let me make sure I didn't miss anything. There you go. Okay. When I push this button, this motor goes. Sorry, this motor goes. I push this button, this motor goes. Okay, now I will demonstrate the functionality of the battery monitor. So, to do so, I need power coming in from uh, I'm going to pause real quick to get everything. Here we go. So, in order for the battery functionality to work, there needs to be sufficient um, power coming into the Arduino, which means that I need to connect it to the computer. Because if it's just connected to the voltage source, once it gets down to below 6.3 volts, the Arduino doesn't work as well as work well enough. So here is my battery functionality. Right now we are at 6 volts connected to the terminals of the battery, and there are no LEDs on. Once we go above 6.3, the first LED turns on. It's very dim, but you can see that. And it'll stay in that state, which means low battery, until it gets up to 7.2. You'll see we're at 7.1, we're still at low. Let's go up to 7.2, 7.3. We change state to medium voltage, and it'll stay at that voltage until 8.1. So we're at 8, still at 2 LEDs on, which means medium battery. Once we go up to 8.1, 8.2, we go up to full battery, which is shown by all three LEDs being on. And it'll stay that way all the way up to 9 volts, as you can see. And I'm going to demonstrate that this also works with when it's just connected to the battery itself. As you can see, we've got the battery terminals connected to the battery itself, and we are at full power. That's great.